Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video we're going to discuss all about how we can create a responsive table using HTML and CSS3. Here is a project that we're going to create it. So this is the large screen size of the page and it is fully responsive. I'm going to show you in a minute. When you will hit the 768 pixel, then it will display the small size of the page. It is fully responsive right now. As you can see, you can check out with the different devices, you can do that. So inside the project I have used the font awesome to display the icon and simple HTML and CSS. So let's look at that, how we can create that. I have index.html, style.css. Inside there I have a Google Fonts with the name of Poppins, and inside the index.html have a font awesome file style.css, right? So let's get started to write the code. So first of all, I'm going to write the container start. This will be close. Write the container. Inside the container I will create a TBL container. Inside the container I will use the h2 tag to display the headings, the responsive table using HTML and CSS. Once we done that, then we're gonna use table means table, th heading, tr table row, th user ID. The next one I'm gonna use username, user email, and status. Right, finally I'm gonna use user email. This will be status, yeah. So last one I'm gonna use action. Right, so I'm gonna open that in the live server. It should be displayed on the browser. Perfect, cool. So I'm gonna use the small size, then it should be display everything in the same screen size. So in a minute I will arrange my browser. Cool. Right, once we done that, then we need to add the table body tr, and inside there I'm going to use td. Write the number, name, and email, john@gmail.com, and status will be active. Right, and then I'm going to use the td. The next I will use the button tag. Inside there I'm going to use I class will be pencil, yeah. First I'm going to save that, as you can see, pencil, and this is first row, and I'm going to get that, but I need to get the second td. The second td I will use that will be btn, fa trash. Cool. So this is our first row. So we're gonna create a many rows. So just a minute, I will write all of the code, then I will teach you everything. So guys, I have written more than 6 numbers inside my table. So just we used the simple classes that help us to design this. So first I'm gonna add the class inside the TBL, right? And then the next one I'm gonna assign the class will be like there inside the button. So this will be btn edit right? And this will be btn trash, right? So I'm going to get that and I'm going to paste it with all of the button tags. Just a minute, I'm going to show you in a minute. Just select all of that and just paste it, right? And next one we need to get the class will be btn trash, or you can use the btn delete. I'm gonna use this one, so you need to copy it, and once again you need to paste it inside all of the delete buttons. So in a minute I'm gonna select that. So yeah, btn trash. Perfect. So save it. Everything is clear inside our HTML page. Then we're gonna style it using CSS, right? So let's move on the CSS. In the CSS, the first thing you need to do, you need to reset the property. Padding 0, margin will be 0, and box sizing you need to use border box. And then I'm going to use font family will be Poppins sans serif. So right, then I'm going to select my body. Inside my body I'm going to change the background will be CCC. I'm going to display all of the content in the center of the page, so I will use display property flex. Justify content will be center, align item will be center, and then we need to use height. So I'm gonna add the height 100 VH vertical height. Once we done that, then we're gonna select the container. Inside the container have all of the content. Inside the container you need to use max with 1440 pixel, but you can decrease and increase the size as you want, but in my case I'm going to use that. And also you need to use with 100%. I'm going to use background will be white, and I'm going to also use box shadow 2 pixel, 5 pixel, and 10 pixel RGBR 0.5, right? Save it. Cool. And then we're going to select my heading tag that is appeared inside the container. So you need to select that, and the select, I'm going to use padding top and bottom 2 rem to make a space. Left and right I'm going to use 1 rem. Right, cool. Also I'm going to change the font size 2.5 rem, and I want to display the text in the center of the page. Right, cool. Next thing we need to select my tbl. Tbl have a table tag inside in there like this one. So the first thing you need to select the tbl, and you need to use width will be 100%, and then you need to use border collapse. So right, cool. Then I'm going to select table heading. Inside that tbl tag have a th, means table heading. So inside there I'm going to change the background will be 424949. This is dark color, and also I'm going to use color will be white of the text. Right, then I'm going to select that, and inside there have a th table heading. I'm going to use font size will be 0.9 rem, and I'm going to use padding all side 0.8 rem to make a space, and then I need to add letter spacing 0.2 rem, and then I'm going to use vertical line will be top, and border align will be I'm going to use border 1 pixel solid hash IB7B at like this one. So right, so this is our heading tag. Let's select the T body. Inside the table have a T body TRTD. So you need to use font size will be 1 rem. Letter spacing I'm going to use same thing like 0.2 rem to make a space, and font weight I'm going to use normal. Text align will be center, and I'm going to use border 1 pixel solid hash AB7 like dark gray. Right, cool. once we done that, then I want to assign the different colors on each row. So I need to select a tbl tr colon nth child, and then I'm going to select the even. Even means after the 1 have a second, third to 4, like this one. So inside there I'm going to use background will be hash ccc, then it should be displayed like this way. If you want to add the odd, like this way, but I don't like that, but I'm going to use 11. Alright, and then I'm going to use the transition all 0.3s as an out, and also I'm going to use cursor will be pointer. Right, cool. Also I think I will be using that will be padding 0.8 rem to make a space of the each row. Right, so as you can see in the large screen size, but we're gonna fix this one. So I need to go on my index.html, so where it is, so I'm gonna use call span 2. Right, as you can see, perfect. Let's move on this style.css, and yeah, we're gonna use the tbl tr. When I hover the mouse on the td, then I will need to change the background will be hash add 3 9192, and color will be 000. So and as you can see, but I will use the transition like this one, so I'm gonna get that and paste on there. It should be displayed perfectly right now, as you can see. Right, and finally I will use the cursor pointer on there. Right, so I don't need to use that on there because I just need to set up it when I hover the mouse on there. Right, cool. Let's select the tbl, have a buttons tag. On each button have a, first I'm going to assign the same design on the button tag, then I will manage it 0 in auto, padding I will use 0.4 rem, border radius 1 pixel solid, just 1 pixel, and outline will be none, cursor will be pointer. So looks like this one. But then I'm going to select my btn trash, have a btn delete, so I'm going to change the background will be like E74C3C. This is a red color like this one, and also I need to select my color to assign the white color. Right, cool. Okay, and then I need to select my btn edit, and then I'm going to use background will be hash 1E8449, color will be white. So right, cool. So this is our normal table, but when I will decrease the size of the browser, then I want to move it in a small screen size right now, as you can see. So let's look at that. So I'm going to select the default max width will be 768 pixel. In the 768 pixel I'm going to select tbl th, means table heading. So inside there I'm going to use display 1. So when I will hit the 768 pixel, I don't need to display my table headings like those. I can't see the table headings right now when I hit that 768 pixel right now, as you can see. So once we done that, then next thing you need to do, you need to just a minute, I'm going to show you. Then you need to select a tbl tr, comma tbl td. So inside here you need to use display block, so like this one, and also I'm going to use width will be 100%. Right, so right. Then we need to select my tbl to make a space, TBLTR, so I'm gonna add margin bottom of 1 rem, so to have a space, right? And then we're gonna display the text. In the right side I want to display the table headings, in the right side, left side, I want to display the table headings, in the right side I want to display those content. So I'm going to select my TBL TD colon before. In the before I need to select my content, but this time I'm going to leave that, and we need to use position will be absolute, and I will leave all of the another property this time. So once we done that, then you need to go on your index.html page. Inside the index.html page, you need to add the attribute inside the TD tag, like there. So let's say add the attribute data label and assign the attribute, which attribute you will assign on there. Then the particular attribute will be appear inside your page as a heading. So let's look at that. I'm going to use user ID like this one. Get that, and I'm going to paste that. This will be user. I'm going to use that will be username like this one. Get that, paste on there, user and more, and this will be status. So those text will be appear as a heading of the table, but those data will appear in the left side of the page. In a minute I'm going to show you. So just I use just those data inside our single table. Then I use CSS. Inside there I need to select attribute. Just a minute. So inside there I need to select the ATTR. Just a minute. Here it is, ATTR attribute, and inside there you need to add the attribute, which attribute that you have used on there, like data label. Get that and paste on there. Save it. You can't see anything else inside there, but you need to use that inside there, right? And you need to use the words. One more thing we need to do on there, I need to TBL, this is T body TR TD. So I need to use text align will be right side. I want to move those text at the right side, and then I need to use the position will be relative, right? So once you use the position absolute, then you need to use the left will be 0. Right now, as you can see guys, our data is up here as a heading, right? So this is the status, but I will be check. I'm gonna use that. Will be data. This will be edit. Small key size edit, and this will be where it is the next one. Delete. So those data also appear inside there. Right now, as you can see, so we need to make a space. So I will use the width will be 50%, right? Just a minute, and then I'm going to use text align will be left, and I'm going to use padding left will be 1.2 then, right? As you can see, so we're going to use all of the attribute on my each content. Then the next one data will appear in the next one row. So just get that and paste on one by one. So yeah, I think it should be displayed like this one. Copy and paste on it. Just a minute. I think I need to. Right now, as you can see, the second one row has been completed, and we're going to use all of the content on right? And finally I need to use the where it is attribute, I think. Okay, where it is my attribute, edit. So we need to get that, and we need to paste on there, there, and yeah, inside there have edit. That's it. Inside there I need to add that, right? So edit is up here, and finally I need to use the delete. So get that, and we need to paste on different TDs like there, like there, right? So this is our complete responsive table right now, as you can see, right? And okay, in the file number I need to check where is mistake. Right now inside there have a status active, so I need to get that. Have a status, but I need to get that and paste on there, and inside there I need to use data. So this is a simple mistake. Right, so this is a complete responsive table right now, as you can see, guys. This is large screen size, and when you will hit the small screen size, right now, as you can see, right? So guys, I hope you understood as well all about how you can create a responsive table using HTML and CSS3. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.